In this video, I'll show you how I draft a press release using Claude AI. To begin, I start on the Claude AI homepage. In the center of the screen, I'll see the main message box where I can type my prompt. I click inside that message box to begin writing my request. Here, I describe the press release I want Claude to create. For example, I might type something like, "Write a professional press release announcing the launch of a new AI productivity app." Once the prompt is ready, I press enter to send it. Claude AI will then generate a structured press release directly in the chat. This usually includes a headline, an introduction paragraph, the main announcement details, supporting information, and a closing section. I read through the draft to make sure it communicates the message clearly. If I want to improve it, I can type another prompt asking Claude to adjust the tone, add a quote from a company spokesperson, shorten the paragraphs, or make the announcement more engaging. Claude will instantly revise the press release and provide an updated version in the conversation. Once I'm happy with the final result, I highlight the press release text and copy it. Then I can paste it into a document, email, or press distribution platform to share it with journalists or media outlets. And that's how I draft a press release using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.